My name is Catherine Elnas, 35 years old. I'm single mom of 2 kids, and I can do household chore like washing, cleaning, laundry, and I can do cooking. I am good taking care of children based on my experience because I have 2 kids, raising them on my own, and this is my first time work abroad. If I have given a chance to work there, I will do my very best to work hard and to follow the law that you have in your country. Thank you very much. God bless.